Hello everyone, it's Pam here. Welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen channel. Today let's make the oven-baked crispy chicken, coated with lovely paprika sauce and sided with fries and fresh crispy veggies you like. A good finger-licking menu on game or movie nights. Okay, let's get into it. Before anything, preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Then let's prepare the chicken. As you can see, it's a mix between drumsticks and wings because we have two teams at home. I am Team Wings. Which team are you? Team Drums or Team Wings? Let me know in a comment. I grew up eating the whole wing including nibbling the tips, but you can separate the drum and flat like this and keep the tips for making broth for other times. Then we need black pepper, can be white if you prefer, cornstarch, and salt. Oh, important! To get the chicken crispy, you have to make them as dry as possible by patting them dry with paper towel, then a poke knife, and a mixing bowl. Because I'm using the whole wings and drumsticks, so I'll poke around a bit, but if you use only wings and separate the flats and little drums, you can totally skip this part. Then we add 2 teaspoons of salt, black pepper 1 or 2 teaspoons, and 50-gram cornstarch. Mix them up, put down the tongs, just use the hands, trust me. Then just put them on the baking tray with a baking sheet or aluminum foil on. I didn't use the rack, this way the oil from chicken will come out and kind of fry itself somehow. I always make it like this and turned out crispy. Then bake at 200 Celsius for about 20 to 40 minutes depending on your chicken size. They're gonna need one or a couple flips until cooked and crispy, and during that, let's make paprika sauce for coating. We're gonna need unsalted butter, an onion, 3 garlic, white vinegar, paprika powder, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, and some water. Finally chop 3 cloves garlic. Then dice an onion. Okay, let's move to the stove. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. We are on medium heat here. Then put chopped garlic and onion. Keep stirring until the onions soft. Then we add 4 tablespoons oyster sauce, light soy sauce 3 tablespoons, white vinegar 1 tablespoon, sugar 4 tablespoons. Paprika powder 6 tablespoons. Mix them up. Then add about 2 cups of water. Keep stirring until the sauce is thick. Then rest and let it cool. And now the chicken is cooked and crispy. Coating with the sauce by brushing, or you can toss the chicken in the bowl. I always love to spare the sauce to mix with pasta on the next day. Then you can put sausages or even this chicken if you have left over. I bet you will love it. It's so good. If you like this recipe, please boop the like button for me to help this video being seen more. I'd really be appreciated. Wish you a finger-licking day. Thank you very much for watching and see you again next recipe. Bye bye.